Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and oh my goodness me, I have a wonderful Happy Mail package to share with you. I was just so, excuse me, touched when I received this package yesterday. I knew that I was doing a swap with a lady called Sheila, and it arrived yesterday, and I'm just dumbfounded with her generosity and her creativity that I wanted to share it all with you. So let me show you. It was honestly like Christmas. Look at all of these. Let me look, it just keeps going on and on and on, and oops, that one's tipped out. All of these lovely little packages. So let me just, oops, put that to one side, and let me show you the wonderful things that she sent me. So let me move all these little packages out of the way. I just couldn't believe it. So I have these gorgeous stickers, flowers, butterflies, these lovely little, you know, spring creatures and bees, and how much fun are they? And then these lovely embellishments, just absolutely gorgeous. The little birds and flowers, feathers, so they're going to come in really handy. I had a lovely letter from her as well, and she sent this. It's a Santa sled gift box, and she sent all the bits so I can make it myself. Look, she's even got all the information here, bless her, and there's also a tutorial for this. So I'm going to pop that, let's pop that there. Don't want to lose my paper clips. And then I also have some other little bits from the Santa's sled from Stampin' Up, I believe, because I had that set myself. And so there's lots of little bits and pieces and stockings and things in there as well to decorate that. And then I have a selection of little bags, glassine bags and paper bags. We just love our bags. I'll be saving all of these other ones as well. And then have some wonderful candy skull, and these are like these foam stickers, and then these gorgeous glitter decoupage sort of die cut shapes, and then these gorgeous die cuts I'm imagining. So look, the old-fashioned vintage pussycats. Look at that one there, his little face. Wow. And look, the cute pussycats. She knows me too well. And then we have this wonderful Central Western United States highway map. Look at that. Just amazing. It's like vintage map. It's just gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, we just love maps, don't we? So that is lovely. Look at that. Just gorgeous. And then, oh look, there's one of these altered paper clips. Just too cute. I've been making a load of those myself actually. And then lovely little envelope clip there, and some gorgeous handmade bows. I'm presuming she made these with the bow maker, or a bow maker, Stampin' Up bow maker, or a die cut machine. I've made some of these myself before, and they are super lovely and cute to make, and they're just gorgeous. So but to be honest with you, I don't like making them. I find them a bit faffy, but they are easy to make. It's just me. So thank you so much, Sheila, because I now have some bows. And then we have these cute washi tape. What's that say? Oh, fiesta like there's no manana. Fiesta like there's no manana. I'm saying that wrong, aren't I? Fiesta like there's no manana. I'm saying that wrong. I know I am. Okay. Then I have a cute little packet of pegs. They always come in handy. And oh, you wait till you see these things here. Look. Oh, this cute package of beads. Look at these. How beautiful are these? Look at these turquoise. Oops, don't want to lose any. Just a gorgeous packet of beads there, which will come in so handy for my dangles. Oh, don't lose any. Right, let me just put those in there. But wait till you see these. These are just too adorable. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous dangles that she has made. Look how truly beautiful these are. And it's just so strange because it is like she knows me, because you know, I have been buying jewellery from Car Boots and that to make dangles for my journals, because I've now got into my journals. So I mean, just look how beautiful these are. They're just lovely. Look at these. Look, the little owl and the 4-leaf clover, and this one has got an angel on it. Oh, just look at that. Truly beautiful. This one has a little key on it. And then we have a little heart one. And look at this. This is, look, little antique photo. And how cute is that? That's done on using the I can't remember what you call it, triple doodle. I have some. I've been doing some stamps actually, but look. Just when she's used a dinky little eyelet there as well. I mean, she's given me so many ideas actually. Oh, look, that's got a little dragon. Is that a little wasp or bee or dragonfly? Just adorable. I love, love, love everything that she has sent on. I feel so truly blessed. Sheila, you don't know how much you've touched me by, you know, your generosity and your creativity as well, and how much you seem to know me. Oh my gosh, there's so much more in here. Then we have a package of ephemera with all these lovely old vintage advertisements. And these, it's funny because I've actually recently bought some Tim Holtz Ideology ephemera, which I'm going to be doing a video on my haul. And some of these, she, you know, uses the same, has got some of the same ephemera that I have, and she sent me some. I mean, look at these. These are stamped images. That's, oops, upside down. And look at these little dinky playing cards. Just so cute. Too cute. Look. Just lots of these ephemera and these lovely adverts. And there's lots of these, which are eau de cologne, hair oil, hair tonic. And I'll show you with some of the things that she has in the other package that she has made with these and inspired me. Hair lotion. What does this say? Nurseries, seeds, lots and lots of gorgeous, gorgeous embellishments, and ephemera for me to use. So I shall be getting tucked into them later, let me tell you. Right, let me pop these back in here. don't want to lose any bits. And I shall be using all of these lovely little packets that she sent as well. We'll be saving those up. And then in here we have some larger pieces of ephemera, so bigger pieces for our journals. Look at these are beautiful. Look, honestly, it was like Christmas. These lovely like little journaling cards and like Project Life cards. And lots, and never give up. Hello, XOXO. Hello, it's a beautiful day. Some lovely die cut. I love all this. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's one of my faves. Look, love all this. These little postcards. Lots and lots and lots of goodies. Okay, let's put those away. See what I mean? When I was opening this yesterday, I was like, oh my gosh, just absolutely, just feel so blessed to have such lovely people in my life through my YouTube channel. And, you know, I've made so many lovely friends along the way. And these are just gorgeous. Now, I have been making some of these, and let me just get my tin. And I have sent Sheila an email and said, oh my gosh, it's just so weird how you know me. And I got this package yesterday, and I had made these only, oh, wrong tin. We'll get the right tin, hang on, wrong tin. I had made these only the other night, and look, right, these are just like little embellishments to, you know, use in your junk journals to make altered paper clips. And as you can see, I've made quite a few. Okay, so these are just these, and then you can turn them into altered paper clips. And I was going to do a video to show you all how to make these out of all your scraps. Now, I received this package yesterday from Sheila, and oh my gosh, hers are amazing, 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 amazing. You wait till you see these. I mean, just look at these. Aren't they just beautiful on these tags? So Sheila, you have inspired me to actually put them on tags. Look, using old pattern. And these are strangely enough from the Tim Holtz paper dolls, which I bought the other day and I'm going to do a video on. And I think she's got, well, 2 of these. So it's like this one from, I mean, look, and the little postcards and lace. So, oh my gosh, she has inspired me to look, this lovely paper clip. I mean, with using fabric. And these are just beautiful using stamps. I actually have this stamp because one of my friends from Linda sent me a stamp set, and I'm sure that this Coffee and Friends The Perfect Blend is on that. I need to find it out now because I'm like, oh my gosh, I can use that stamp set because it just goes so well. I mean, even, and it's strange because, you know, we kind of start out doing projects, and you know, I probably wouldn't have used green. You know, I always use creams or whatever, but oh my gosh, it looks amazing. So I can get out my other laces, and look, I love the way she's used the sentiments, and there's all of this ephemera here. But these, look at these. These are embossed circles, and they just feel amazing. I love them. Oh, I just absolutely, be you bravely. I absolutely love these. Look, So I am now inspired to, you know, do more with what I've been doing. The ones I had done are just, they're not as nice. These are just absolutely amazing, and now I have been inspired to use some of my other things. Okay, and then the package goes on. Look at this. I cannot believe, look, I open this up and there's all these beautiful napkins. Look, these gorgeous, gorgeous napkins. I'm just going for the napkins first. Look at these, how cute. And these are more of those. And how beautiful are these napkins. Look, just gorgeous. And it's so lovely because, excuse me, I've started collecting napkins, and these are just beautiful. It's so lovely to see different ones. And I think this one's got a saying on it. Yeah, it has. Laughter is a smile with the volume turned up. Oh. And look, a candy skull one as well. How colourful is that? Are those? And then I have these gorgeous, I don't know if they're napkins or they're just beautiful. Look, aren't they gorgeous for me to use on my journals? Just beautiful. This embroidery on there. And then look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use it. I'm like, it's too yummy to chop up or whatever, but I will be using it. Oh my gosh, that is going to go on so many things. So this was my happy mail, and I'm sorry if I sound like a kid at Christmas, but oh my gosh, I'm just in awe at how generous you all are. And you know, I receive lovely gifts from you, and oh, I just feel so truly blessed, so truly blessed. So that is my happy mail I wanted to share with you. I will be back later on, hopefully today, if not tomorrow, because I have some videos on some of my hauls. I have a Tim Holtz one, and I have a car boot one, and I also have a vintage book haul, which I cannot wait to share with you. And I've also got to finish my journal that I was doing for my friend. For those of you that have been watching, I was supposed to finish it for last Saturday, but actually I got my weekends modded up and she's coming this Saturday, which gave me a bit of extra time. So I will be getting on with that today or tomorrow. So we have to finish that off, everyone. So I shall be back later on, and you all take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.